Non-surgical facial contouring is one of the most popular areas that patients come in to achieve a non-surgical improvement in their aesthetic appearance. The majority of patients come to see me really for three main reasons. Number one is the gravitational descent of their facial muscles. Number two is loss of volume. Number three is the loss of elasticity, the loss of tone, quality, clarity of their skin. We now have non-surgical options that can deal with many of these problems. The areas that we can improve decrease volume in a single session, in a 45 to 60-minute session, are hollowing of your temples, flattening of your cheeks, decrease in the protuberance of your cheekbones, loss of volume in the lower third of your face, which is a very, very common area affecting men and women, decrease in the bulk and definition of your lips, decrease in the acuity of your jawline, and increase in the tissue of your neck and the lack of elasticity of that tissue in your neck. So just think one session in a very comfortable, relaxed atmosphere can give you a maximal improvement in your facial tone and the appearance of your facial features.